For your online author store to be discovered by readers who have never heard of you, the answer is SEO, or search engine optimization. The digital world is a bustling marketplace, teeming with countless shops. To make your e-commerce store stand out in this vast crowd, you need a beacon, a signal. That's where SEO steps in. It's the digital equivalent of a neon sign, guiding potential customers to your virtual doorstep. SEO is not just about visibility though, it's also about credibility. When your store ranks high on search engine results pages, it's like having a prime spot in the shopping district. People trust you more. They're more likely to click on your website, browse your products, and ultimately make a purchase. Now you might ask, how does SEO work? The answer is through keywords. Think of keywords as the language of SEO. They are what your potential customers type into search engines when they're looking for products like yours. Choosing the right keywords is crucial. It's like deciding what products to put on display in your shop window. You want to attract the right kind of customers, those who are interested in what you're selling and are ready to buy. But here's the catch. It's not just about identifying popular keywords. It's also about finding the right balance. You want keywords that are popular enough to generate traffic, but not so popular that you're drowned out by the competition. For example, let's say you're selling science fiction books with blue aliens. A keyword phrase like science fiction is too broad. You'd be competing with every other science fiction author out there. But a more specific keyword phrase like science fiction with blue aliens could help you target a more niche market. Remember, the key is to keep your keyword phrases to no more than 5 or 6 words. With the advent of SGE, Search Generative Experience, in SEO, more niche keyword phrases are being favoured by search engines like Google. Without effective SEO, even the best e-commerce store might remain unseen. And the cornerstone of SEO lies in choosing the right keyword phrases. So what exactly are these keyword phrases and why are they so important, you might wonder? Keyword phrases, also known as long-tail keywords, are essentially the terms that potential customers use to find products or services on search engines. They are the signposts that guide users to your online store amidst the crowded digital marketplace. Think of search engines as a vast ocean, and keyword phrases as the lighthouses that direct ships, in this case customers, to your shore. And while individual keywords are important, keyword phrases take things to a new level. They allow a more specific, targeted approach. For instance, someone searching for British cosy mysteries with cats is more likely to be a potential customer than someone simply searching for cosy mysteries. By using the keyword phrase British cosy mysteries with cats, you're not only targeting a more specific audience, but you're also reducing competition from other online stores selling different types of cosy mysteries. But it's not just about specificity. Keyword phrases also need to be relevant and reflect the language that your potential customers use. It's about understanding your audience's search behaviour and tailoring your SEO strategy accordingly. If you're selling high-end designer shoes, for instance, your keyword phrases might include luxury Italian leather shoes or designer stilettos. Remember, the ultimate goal here is to achieve higher search engine rankings. The higher you rank, the more visible you are. The more visible you are, the more traffic you attract for free. And the more traffic you attract, the greater your chances of making a sale. It's a chain reaction, and it all starts with choosing the right keyword phrases. So, to sum it up, keyword phrases are your secret weapon in the battle for search engine supremacy. They help you stand out from the crowd, reach a more targeted audience, and ultimately boost your online sales. The importance of keyword phrases in the realm of SEO cannot be overstated. So, Choose wisely and watch your online store soar to new heights. Now, the million-dollar question is, how do you choose these keyword phrases? Picking the right keyword phrases is an art and a science combined. It's a process that involves understanding your target audience, researching popular search terms, and identifying niche-specific phrases. Let's break it down into steps. Step 1. Understand your target audience. Before you can even think about keywords, you need to know who you're trying to reach. What are their interests? What problems are they trying to solve? Or what are their wants and needs? What language do they use to describe these interests or problems? These answers will form the foundation for your keyword research. Step 2. Research popular search terms. There are many tools available for this, both free and paid. These tools can show you what terms people are using when they search for products or services like yours. They can also show you how often these terms are searched and how much competition there is for them. Use this information to create a list of potential keyword phrases. Step 3. Identify niche-specific phrases. This is where you can really set yourself apart. Look for phrases that are specific to your niche, but may not be as competitive as more general terms. As I said, rather than trying to rank for science fiction, you might choose science fiction with blue aliens. This is a more specific phrase that will likely have less competition and could attract a more targeted audience. Step 4. Keep it short and sweet. While the temptation might be to stuff as many keywords as possible into your phrases, remember that less is often more. Aim for phrases that are no more than 5 or 6 words long. This makes them easier for users to type into search engines and can also increase your chances of ranking higher. In conclusion, choosing the right keyword phrases is a critical part of SEO. It's not just about picking words out of a hat, it's about understanding your audience, doing your research, and being strategic in your choices. And remember, the more niche your keyword phrase, the better your chances of ranking higher on search engines. Speaking of niche keyword phrases, have you heard of the advent of SGE in SEO? SGE stands for Search Generative Experience. It's a term Google uses to understand the context and meaning behind the words on your website. With SGE, Google is shifting its focus towards more niche keyword phrases. Now, why is this important for SEO? Well, SGE is making it harder to rank for broad terms. For instance, trying to rank for science fiction was always going to be quite a challenge. However, the good news is that it's becoming easier to rank for specific phrases, like science fiction with blue aliens. This is because Google is getting better at understanding the nuances and specifics of language. It's no longer about stuffing your content with as many keywords as possible. It's about choosing the right specific keywords that truly represent your content. So with SGE, it's time to get more specific with your keyword phrases than ever before. To wrap up, let's revisit the importance of SEO and keyword phrases in e-commerce. A store without good SEO would be akin to a busy marketplace where your store is hidden in a dimly lit alley. It's there, packed with fantastic products, but no one knows about it. SEO is the bright neon sign that leads customers right to your storefront. It's your visibility strategy, the tool that ensures your e-commerce store doesn't just exist, but thrives amidst the competition. However, SEO is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's an intricate puzzle, and keyword phrases are one of the most crucial pieces. Keyword phrases are like your store's GPS coordinates. They guide potential customers who are looking for what you offer straight to your site. By selecting the right keyword phrases, you're telling search engines like Google precisely what your store provides. But remember, it's not just about any keywords. It's about choosing the right ones, the ones your potential customers are likely to use when searching for products or services you offer. It's about understanding your audience, their needs, their language, and their search habits. And let's not forget about the genre. Choose genre-dependent keyword phrases. A generic term might be too competitive and challenging to rank for, while a more niche phrase could be your ticket to visibility. The advent of SGE has further emphasised the importance of niche keyword phrases. This update made Google smarter, allowing it to understand the context and semantics better. So instead of focusing on broad keywords, it's now more beneficial to target specific niche phrases that truly represent what you offer. With the right SEO and keyword strategies, your e-commerce store can gain the visibility it deserves. Choose your keyword phrases wisely.